Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now with clean, wet hair. Squeeze out excess water so the product spreads instead of running off. Take a coin-sized amount for short hair or 1-2 coin sizes for longer hair. You want enough to coat strands without weighing them down. Apply primarily to mid-lengths and ends because that's where hair needs moisture most. Once done, gently work the conditioner in with your fingers so each section is covered. This makes detangling and absorption much more effective. Now you move into the middle steps. Distribute the conditioner evenly using your fingers or a wide-tooth comb, starting at the midshaft and working toward the ends so you don't overload roots. Make sure to leave it on for about 2-5 minutes. This dwell time allows the conditioning agents to penetrate and smooth the cuticle. If you want faster absorption, cover with a shower cap or warm towel. Heat opens the cuticle slightly. Finally, detangle gently rather than scrubbing. That preserves strength and reduces breakage. Finish by rinsing thoroughly with cool to lukewarm water until the runoff is clear. Cooler water helps close the cuticle and lock and shine. Once rinsed, squeeze excess water and blot with a microfiber towel rather than rubbing to limit frizz and damage. Style as usual. If you notice heaviness or grease afterward, that's usually too much product or incomplete rinsing. Simply rinse again longer or use less next time, and consider a clarifying shampoo monthly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.